Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Micro Itx case available right now. The JONSBO D32 Pro Micro-ATX PC case. This compact yet powerful enclosure is a dream for builders who want performance, aesthetics, and modularity without sacrificing space. Let's unpack what makes the D32 Pro a standout in the world of small form factor PC cases. First up, the overall design. The D32 Pro is a mini tower case, coming in at just 24 liters in volume. But don't let its size fool you, it's built for versatility. JONSBO has packed this case with A/B mode compatibility. That means it supports both standard Micro-ATX and the newer back-to-front, BTF, motherboards, giving builders a lot more flexibility. Switching to B mode enables support for back-connect motherboards, allowing for ultra-clean cable management and a seamless visual experience. Speaking of visuals, let's talk about the tempered glass side panel. It offers a full, clear view of your components, making it easy to showcase your hardware. Combine that with the adjustable motherboard cable management cover, and you get a build that looks as clean on the inside as it does from the outside. It's an ideal case for those who care about aesthetics, whether you're lighting up your build with RGB or going for a minimalist look. But performance matters too, and the D32 Pro has it covered. It supports graphics cards up to 365mm in length, so even the largest modern GPUs fit without any issue. You can also install a 240mm AIO liquid cooler or air coolers up to 163mm in height, which is more than enough for serious gaming or workstation builds. The power supply support is equally flexible, accommodating both ATX and SFX formats. Though note that the 16A plug is excluded for the ATX option. Installation has been thoughtfully designed. The PCIe slot area is completely open, allowing you to easily insert large graphics cards without obstruction. It's a small but significant feature that makes the building process smoother and faster. Whether you're an experienced builder or doing your first build, you'll appreciate how intuitive everything feels inside this case. When it comes to storage, you get a modular approach. It supports up to 4 2.5 drives depending on your configuration, and up to 2 3.5 drives using shared mounts. This makes the D32 Pro adaptable for both speed-focused NVMe builds and traditional bulk storage setups. It really depends on how you choose to configure your internals. Now let's talk dimensions. The case measures 396mm in depth, 207mm in width, and 314mm in height, including the feet. It's compact enough to sit comfortably on or under a desk, yet large enough to house high-performance components. For motherboard compatibility, it supports Mini ITX and Micro-ATX boards. With a switchable bracket layout that lets you toggle between standard and back-connect layouts with ease. To top it all off, connectivity on the front panel includes USB 3.2 support, offering fast data transfer and device charging. For a case at this price point and size, that's a welcome addition that adds real-world convenience. So, whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig, a compact workstation, or a clean and quiet streaming PC, the JONSBO D32 Pro offers a unique combination of compact size, internal flexibility, visual appeal, and hardware compatibility. It's a rare case that doesn't ask you to compromise. That wraps up this episode on the JONSBO D32 Pro, the best Micro Itx case in its class. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. This has been Product Critique, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.